Methods of production. This is a really important topic because it's all about the practical bit of business. How do firms actually make the stuff they sell? Is it all done by hand, by robots? Do they make one thing at a time or millions? There are three main ways, and they are called job, batch, and flow. Think of them as three different gears in a car. You can use the right gear for the right situation. Job production. This is the first gear. Imagine you are a baker and a customer comes in and says, I want a cake for my wedding. It has to be 3 tiers. Strawberry flavor, little sugar roses on top. You make that specific cake for that event only. That's job production. It's all about making a single, unique, one-off product for a specific customer. The key word here is customization. The big advantage is quality and price. Because it's made just for one customer, it's high quality and business can charge a lot of money for it. The downside, it's slow and expensive to make. You can't buy sugar, strawberry flavor, and flour in bulk for just one cake, so the cost of making it is high. Next, we have batch production. Think of it as a second gear of the car. Let's stick with the bakery example. You have made the wedding cake, but now you need to fill your shop shelves. You decide to make a batch of 50 chocolate muffins. Once those are done, you clean the mixer, change the ingredients, and make a batch of 50 blueberry muffins. Then another batch of 50 plain muffins. That's batch production. You're making a set quantity, a batch of one product, then stopping to make a batch of another. The key word here is flexibility. The advantage is you get some variety and the costs are lower than job production because you're making a few at once. The disadvantage is downtime. When you're cleaning the mixer between batches, you aren't making anything, and that's wasted time and money. Finally, flow production. This is the top gear, the motorway gear. Now, imagine you're not a small bakery anymore. You're a huge factory like Coca-Cola or a car manufacturer. You don't want to stop to clean machines every 5 minutes. You want to make the same thing over and over again, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is flow production, sometimes called mass production. Products move along a conveyor belt. One worker might just put lids on top of all the bottles. The next worker just takes labels on. The key word here is efficiency. Think about cars, iPhones, bottles of water, crisps. They are all made this way. The massive advantage is low cost per unit. If you make 10 million bottles of cola, you can buy all your ingredients in bulk. This is called economies of scale because you are buying everything cheaper, your cost per unit becomes cheaper. The big disadvantage, it's boring for workers. Imagine doing the same tiny job all day, every day. Also, there's no variety. Every single bottle of cola is exactly the same. And setting up the production line in the first place costs millions of pounds. Thank you for watching.